Pretty straightforward. Get a piece of paper, draw out a knife, any shape you want, and voila. This is the whole point to this video. I'm thinking, which it's kind of like an experiment, we'll see, but this is African Blackwood. It's like one of the densest, hardest woods on the planet. The density is what I'm going for with this. I want to see how sharp we can actually get it. So now we're just gonna put a little spray adhesive, some 3M glue. We're gonna glue it to this, and then we're gonna cut it out. Yeah. Just a little scrap piece of wedge. Got another one, it's a different size, does not matter. This is just for rub. Some here. Made a mistake, so I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna attempt to deal with it as is. So first things first. Oh, that's aggravating. You can tell by looking at it that I'm gonna like it, but now I have to deal with this frickin'. Well, let's get to it. All we're gonna do is we're gonna reseal this and refill it. The only thing is part of the blade is going to wind up being the epoxy, so we'll see how we can do it. Blah 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 blah. This is just after 100 grit on the belt sander. That's what's on there. It's pretty impressive. I'm gonna keep polishing this thing up. I'm not gonna sit here and just record me sanding here for freaking sanding and sanding and sanding and going through grits. All this part is just getting it comfortable. That's it. And then I'll polish the blade. Oh my god, it's rosewood and I'm not having level 8 protection. Oh. Alright, we went to 320 and I popped the grain with water and now it's dry. So I'm going to hit it its final time with 320 because once finish hits it, the point of popping the grain is to get anything that's going to pop up to pop up, even though with this wood it really didn't feel like much popped up, but blah blah blah. So now we'll just quick touch it up again with 320, and I will take this time to address all the morons that are out there that are constantly telling you that rosewood is freaking poisonous. It's no different than if I freaking tell you, actually, since I'm talking to you, it's no different than if I tell you don't eat peanuts, they'll kill you, okay? If you're allergic to them, then yeah, you're gonna have a freaking bad day, and you can't be that allergic, or I guess it can actually kill you. This entire project, I made a point to not wearing any gloves, not doing anything, not taking no special precautions, sanding, cutting, whatever. And my skin is not irritated, I'm not freaking hacking or dying. Listen, you don't want to breathe dust from wood, period. I think that's pretty self-evident to most people that woodwork. You don't want to breathe it in. But at that point, it doesn't matter what you breathe in, it's all freaking bad for you. So don't breathe it in and stop panicking telling people don't use it for this or that. It's poisonous, you know, you need a Tyvek suit in order to work with it and blah blah blah. Stop it. If you hear somebody say it, point them to my video. Now, for everybody's favorite part. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you guys got something out of this. How come I always say right at the end of a video? Anyways, again, what the hell? Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned for I'm going to come out with a video showing that this isn't just a beautiful work of art, that this thing will punch a hole through metal, see how sharp it works as far as cutting paper, and I'll run it through a few tests and we'll see what it can do. Alright, later.